Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share how you can use the ChatGPT Model 5 Unlimited completely for free. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. So one way to use the ChatGPT Model 5 is through this website. This website allows you to use the GPT-5 model, but it gives us limited access. So to use the GPT-5 model, you can download and install Cursor AI, which allows you to use the latest ChatGPT model. But the problem is that the Cursor is also a paid AI. But there is a way to use the Cursor completely for free. I have already made a video on how you can use Cursor AI for free, and I will put the link to that video in the description box below, through which you can easily use ChatGPT 5 model for free using Cursor. With Cursor you will get other premium AI models as well. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.